So today we're going to show you how to install the Windbooster GT Bluetooth throttle controller into the BMW 135i, and we're going to talk you through the process. Alright, so what have we got in the box? If we can get the box open any day now. There we go. So we have stickers, and we have the controller itself. That's the little display. We have a wiring harness that plugs into the throttle pedal, and we have some instructions. Fantastic.
Is that it? No, there's more.
Oh, it's cable ties.
Very
little
important.
white cable ties. I think we might use black ones though.
Possibly.
So the first thing you're going to need to do is figure out where you're going to install the controller. We're thinking here because the cable comes in from this side, so it's going to be a nice short run of cable that will be visible. I can access it. I can't quite see it past the steering wheel, but I can access it when I need to. So we're going to clean and prep the surface and stick the controller on. Microfiber cloth, a little bit of bug spray, and we're just going to clean that surface off.
And why are we cleaning it?
So that it sticks.
Oh,
Better
right.
Stiction, man.
That makes sense.
Alright, so we're going to take the wee black nubbin off, that makes it look good. And with your Torx 30 bit, you're going to undo that nut, bolt, call it what you like. And then we can remove the throttle pedal assembly. Behind the pedal assembly is a retaining metal thing, so you have to push up and back, and that's how it lifts out. Once your pedal is removed, there's a connector on this side. We're going to push the tabs in and pull, and the pedal comes free. The Windbooster harness plugs into your BMW throttle pedal, and the other end of this connector block, we can get all the other cables out the way, plugs into your car's wiring harness. Easy peasy. The plan is to hide these cables in this block connector, and the Bluetooth thing for the Windbooster is all going to get tucked behind this kick panel here. We're going to run this wire up, across, underneath, and come out the steering column gap here. The best way for us to run this cable is we're going to take these Torx 20 bolts out, and we're going to drop this panel away so that we can run the cable. We've tucked the connector block and the piece that comes with the Windbooster behind this kick panel here. I've covered the exposed wires there with black electrical tape just to hide them. The pedal is reattached, so we're just got a case of find the bolt and reattach it. This is the cable coming out the top that we're going to route across, and it's going to come out here and attach to the controller up there. Pull off the adhesive backing.
The easy part.
The easy part, because routing the cable was an absolute nightmare.
That's what she said.
So we're going to go there. What do you reckon about there, Lee?
Yeah.
And then we get to plug it in. I'll get the key.
There it is.
The other thing I'm going to do is get my phone, because it's a Bluetooth one. Okay, so we're all installed. It's up and running. The display works. Join us for the next video where we'll show you what it actually does.